Telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosome. A chromosome whose centromere is located at one end. The centromere is located very close to the end of the chromosome that the p-arms would not, or barely, be visible. It has not been observed in humans. Centromere, dense, constricted region in a chromosome, contains highly specialized repetitive DNA sequences, e.g. satellite DNA, that are packaged into heterochromatin, serves as the site for kinetochore assembly, essential during the alignment of the chromosomes at the metaphase plate and the subsequent segregation of chromosomes during cellular division. Chromosomal arms, p-arm, relatively shorter. Q-arm, relatively longer. Types of chromosomes based on the position of the centromere. Metacentric chromosome, centromere, is centrally located. Chromosomal arms are almost equal in length. Submetacentric chromosome, slightly unequal chromosomal arm length. Acrocentric chromosome, centromere is not central and located near the end of the chromosome. Telocentric centromere, centromere is located at one end. Subtelocentric centromere, centromere is closer to the end than the center. Holocentric centromere, centromere seems to be the entire chromosome.